Alright, so gotta do some random mini cyclone blast. It's about noon already. It's gonna be very short because there's people around. Don't want to give them flashbacks out in the country right now. Pretty cool. Might just do a growl, honestly. I don't want to do it that long. Alright, it's noon. Open up!
He said you should apologize to me, sir.
No one's come out yelling yet. What? Alright. Get in there. Still in the car? Gotta wait until it winds fully down so I can pick it up. Oh yeah, I guess I should probably do that. Alright, it's good enough. Oh, got some weight to it. Alright, yeah, this is Plumwood, Ohio, at a church. Pretty cool, pretty cool.